Here's a bunch of fun things that I'm using for biohacking. This is part one. Biohacking is a way to optimize and elevate your wellness through measurement and specific supplementation. Some people call biohacking do-it-yourself biology. I call it taking back control of your health and well-being. The first one is for anybody who has any metabolic disruption or you're working on weight loss or even increasing your performance. It's called the very continual glucose monitor. You insert this thing into the back of your arm. It's painless. Trust me, it really doesn't hurt. And you can watch your blood sugars constantly, how they respond to different foods, different combinations of foods, your workouts, lack of sleep, things like that. Blood sugars need to stay under 100 in order for you to be able to lose weight. If you're concerned about prediabetes or diabetes and you're not sure where you're at, this would be great for you. For me personally, I'm using it to recover from severe metabolic disruption from having lived in mold unknowingly for almost 12 years. The very app shows you your blood sugars if they're staying within the range you want, and if they spike up, you want to avoid big spikes in blood sugar and big crashes because that's when not fun things happen. It gives you a score for all of your meals and lets you know how your body's responding to different meals. And it also gives you all kinds of insights, like here it's showing me my worst meal, which was a Christmas party. It's also showing me what my average daily score out of 100 is, so I know that my blood sugar management is staying steady or improving or getting worse. The Very is really helping me see that my body is not responding to carbohydrates well at this time, which is expected with the exposures that I've had and my genetic components that are going on.